Hey, guess what? Good things are coming your way. And your mind might say, oh, how do you know that? Or, I mean, it's easy for you to say, or don't you know what's happened to me lately? Do you know what's been going on? No. Forget about it. Good things are coming your way. Comment it down below. Good things are coming my way. Comment that down below and ingrain that into your mind right now. Good things are coming my way. Good things are coming your way. See, everything is really two things, the presence of what you want or the absence of what you want. Most people get beat down. Things don't go the way that they want. And what begins to happen is their thoughts, their mind gets controlled by what's happening in the world. But if your thoughts get controlled by what's happening in the world, then all you're really doing is reacting to life, and you can never break out to new possibilities. Everything is two things, what you want or the absence of it. What you want, your mind focused on what you want sounds like this. You know, great things are coming my way. Thank you, universe. I know I've had some difficulty. I know I've had some ups and downs, but I can feel it in my spirit right now. And you may not even feel it in your spirit. You may not at all. But you gotta start telling yourself that. You gotta start firing different brain cells. You gotta start wiring new neural connections in your brain. You gotta start engaging in your energy in a different way so you can change your point of attraction. See, everybody is just like a planet. You know, a planet has a gravitational pull, and it pulls things into its orbit, like the Earth pulls the moons in its orbit, the sun pulls this whole solar system into the orbit. You have a gravitational pull, and you're pulling things. You have a cosmic pull that's pulling things into the orbit. Circumstances, situations, and like energy. Start affirming right now, good things are headed my way, because guess what? You are a divine being. You may have forgot that because you look at your bank account and you see no money in it. You see an overdraft in it. You look at your GPA and then you think, I'm not smart. You look at your college degree or lack thereof and you think, I'm not qualified enough. I'm not good enough. You look back at your past love relationships or lack thereof and you say, I'm unworthy of love. There's no good people out there. You look at your body and you think, I'm too fat. I'm too skinny. I'm too old. I'm too young. My teeth are crooked. Look, I got a crooked tooth. Who cares? You are a divine being. Good things are coming your way. Guess what? You're not even a physical body. You're a spiritual being in a physical body. You're an individualization of God energy. And what is God energy? That's the source of all good luck. That's the source of all good things. And you must attract the same energy that you come from. And if you come from that energy, you're destined to attract great things. This is the week that can change your life, but you have to start affirming it. Comment down below, good things are headed my way now. Comment down below, good things are headed my way now. And if you have trouble with that, go ahead and download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com right there down below, or better yet, use my software, The Second Mind. I made a software designed to fire new brain cells so your brain starts to get conditioned and programmed to attract success, even if your life may not be where you want it to be yet. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below, thesecondmind.com right there down below. So repeat this with me. I can, I will, I am destined. I can, I will, I am destined. I can, I will, I am destined. You can do it. I'm telling you, you can do it. You will do it if you continue to show up, if you continue to focus on what it is that you want. Continue to affirm great things are on the way, because guess what? You are destined. It is destined. Why? Because all you are is an individualization of God energy. You're an individualization of that one originating spirit that creates all things. Everything is energy, and you're one and the same with that universal energy. Guess what? You're good enough. Imagine if you could just delete your past right now, just for a minute. Just suspend your disbelief. You're watching me right now and you're being like, this sounds good, but no buts right now. Just for a moment. No buts for a moment. No, yeah, but, or I don't know. No, none of that right now. Just suspend your disbelief for a minute and sit in this energy. You are good enough. You're worthy of everything that you desire. Good things are on the way. Say it with me. Good things are on the way. Say it with me. Good things are on the way. I had to start talking like that. Good things are on the way. Why? Because there's too many negative people in the world. There's too many negative influences. There's too many negative environments. There's too many people that want to complain. Go onto your Facebook. Most of it will be people complaining. Go on Google. All you'll find is just negative news from Fox, CNN, MSNBC, every single one of those companies. It's all negative. And I had to start telling myself good things are on the way because I didn't want their crap to brainwash me. I didn't want to wake up and start to think that my life wasn't possible. My dream life wasn't possible. Guess what? 9 out of 10 people die with less than $10,000 and virtually no financial assets. Nearly everyone is in credit card debt. Nearly everyone is suffering. 75% of people say they're actively disengaged from their jobs. You know what that means? 75% of people do not like what they do. You look around, most people are stressed. Everyone is bogged down with all the negativity from the news media and social media. You've got to disconnect from it right now and take a deep breath with me. Take another deep breath with me. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now go like this. Smile. Literally go like this. For 10 seconds right now. If you're not doing it with me, come on, why are you watching then? Just trust me. Trust me. Smile, please. See, you control your own energy. You control your own mind. You control your life. But it starts with you disconnecting from the outside world, disconnecting from that collective consciousness. Affirm right now. Good things are coming to me now. Go like this. 4, 5, 6. Now say, good things are coming to me now. Comment it down below. Good things are coming to me now. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have not yet, make sure that you demo my software, The Second Mind, right there down below. People always say, oh, your brain only uses 5% of its potential. Not true. Your brain can use as much potential as you truly desire, but you have to rewire your brain towards your own goals. I created a software to literally do that for you, to make your brain a magnet so what you want comes into your life quicker and faster so you're not fighting against old negative programming. It's right there down below, thesecondmind.com, right there down below. So scroll right down, click into The Second Mind now the video's over. Demo it for free right now, thesecondmind.com, right there down below. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you already subscribed, double check you've actually clicked that right over there. And comment down below, great things are coming my way now. As we're ending the video, go like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Great things are headed your way. I absolutely know it. Go ahead and demo The Second Mind right there down below. I'll see you on the next video. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video.